Hello, this is Saurabh Malik and I am pursuing MBA General in DBS. This is my research topic Customer Information System CIS with predictive efficiencies. So, for my for the CIS introduction, CIS framework oversee numerous parts of business operation. Execution must meet the most noteworthy standard. While potential upgrades are significant, full execution can be tested. In other words, Customer Information Service (CIS) is an extension or the mixture of the exchange handling framework or the transaction processing system. This is also known as TPS, that places innovation in the hands of the client and permits them to prepare their own exchange. CIS represent a method of working together at a generous resource fund. Customer spare time and association can bring down their asset costs. And this picture will give an assistant to understand the CIS. For the research question, my research question is in what capacity can utilities expand effectiveness? In other words, how can utilities increase efficiency, reduce cost, provide outstanding service, and balance the need for growth and stability all at the same time? And it is a very high priority question. My second question is how to forecast link from the different information variety. Uh, Many sees the answer in that strong, flexible customer information system, and some can be pictures, more some information tables, and some information produced on time scale, which should be set down in an analyzable and reportable format. My sub research question is how to collect companies information, capture information from digital and analog source, and its integration. uh, my literature theme one is first point is for my literature theme, criteria for the customer information system sub coordinating providers. And the second point is this study scans that crucial conditions for selecting the customer's information system outsourcing provider. The third point, the result indicate that the most critical criteria related to CIS outsourcing provider selection are system function, customers account data, billing, and enable your staff to document, locate, and update every customer interaction. Uh, Now, literature's theme 2. The core objective include basic function that enable CIS to support improved meter to cost. Meter to cost will advance company's result and customers outcome. And the last point of this includes the task essential to creating any identifying information as well as the entry of basic data for for example, name, address, gender, and birth date, etc. Literature the theme 3 is about how to improve information access, increase customer self service, and it will reduce demand on service staff also. So the second point is develop interfaces, the meter data management, what is known as MDM also, and work management system to improve corporate social responsibility, CSR capabilities. The last point is reduce payment defaults by enabling automatic fund transfer, credit card, phone pay, online pay. Cont- Contextualizing the proposal in the literature is a very few research are done on the CIS in this particular topic. So there is a lot of scope to research in this area. And the second thing is limiting access to customer information to employees who have a business reason to see it. For example, uh, give employees who respond to customers inquiries access to customer files, but only to the extent they need it, to do their job. And the last point is maintaining up to date and and appropriate programs and application that control that to prevent unauthorized access and customer information. So for my research strategy, my first research strategy means collect to the select organization and existing internet access and connect the organizational authorities to gather required data. If possible, target at least unidirectional interface. If not, I will settle for the manual data entry until the interfacing can be established. And the last point is program artificial intelligence equivalent system to establish prediction capabilities for data collection using from equipments that can output digital formatting value or binaries, data output data output preferably in a tabular format or formats supported by Oracle or similar frameworks. And the third is demographic data and demographic data from demographic service providers, and using information for the existing system together with paper, which is also known as documentation review, and all the on-screen forms, we can say observation. And for my secondary data, I will go via the internet. The research limitation for my topic is interfacing is required. Interfacing is required for the quick information catch. Manual information passage may bring about some errors and mistakes. And demographic information accuracy will be vital in episode forecast and especially in AI programming, which is artificial intelligence programming. And this is the reference. And thank you for your precious time. Have a nice day.